it's Maddie and welcome back to my cringy ass channel. Today's video is going to be how to tint your brows at home. If you like these types of beauty videos, make sure to like, comment, because I do reply to all my comments down below, as well as subscribe to join our little YouTube family here. I'm so grateful for all 420 of you. How ironic. And without further ado, let's get in to the video. All the products will be linked down in the description. But before we start, let me get into what you're going to need. Refectocil liquid oxidant 10 volume developer liquid, and it looks just like this. You can find it on Amazon, as well as the Refectocil tint, which is in brunette natural. So these actually came on a duo. Have a dapper dish, then I just have a spoolie and a dapper dish little brush because it's easier to apply. I have some wipes and some alcohol toner solution, bio oil or Vaseline for the edges of your brows so you don't stain your skin. Then I have some spoolies, cotton rounds, and Q-tips, as well as a eyebrow brush, an eyebrow razor, and some tweezers. Alright, and without further ado, now that we know everything that we need to have, or you already have probably at home, moving on to the actual video. So step one would be to really trim your brows. But that being said, I'm gonna go in and trim my brows and see what I end up with before we tint. Alright, so now that these are plucked, I'm going to take the toner solution and just wipe away all the hairs that I plucked off. They're definitely not even, but it is what it is. I'm going to start preparing my tint in my little dapper dish. I'm going to take, if I'm being honest, I don't necessarily know the ratio. I just know that I make a paste out of it and it seems to work pretty well. So I put about a drop full of my tint in my dapper dish. You can see on the side. And it comes out a bit orange, but trust me, it'll develop over time with the developer. I'm going to put about a couple drops in here. And now I'm just going to mix together the solution, just like hair dye basically. And so once I've done that, I'm going to take my spoolie, brush up on my brows, and start applying where I want to apply it. And that's just that. Also, pro tip here, do not touch the front if the blocky look is not what you're looking for. So I'm gonna put this down and quickly grab my eyebrow brush just so I can be more precise with it. So now that I have this one on, I'm gonna do this one, but I'm gonna speed it up because I'm running out of time here. Okay, so now that it looks a little bit crazy, I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and then take it off with some of my bio oil solution. And they're pretty much how I like them. This one looks a bit wonky just because of how I plucked them. And there you have it. That's my tinted brow routine every 2 weeks. They are not equal, clearly, but they're not supposed to be twins. They're sisters. Love that for me. I usually do this just to get color in my eyebrows. Without it, they don't look good. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video on how to tint your brows at home. Make sure to subscribe to join our little family here on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, because I do reply to all my comments down below. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram, and if you enjoy my face on your screen, don't forget to hit me up on Twitch. I stream every week on Fridays for sure. I'm working on my schedule, so bear with me. But that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!